Good morning, everyone. Let's start the Wednesday live stream. Hey, Peep. Hey, Sebastian. Hey, Andrei. Okay. We had nice developments yesterday. Let's look at Bitcoin on daily, on CME. I think this is the best chart we can start. People will say that, well, we'll go straight down here to fill this gap, but I'm not sure about that because you can see we are still in this area. Yeah, okay, we closed at 87. In the same time, if we'll accept, let's put this level here, and I'll talk about that level more. If we'll accept above this level, and probably we'll close a 4-hour chart above, we can close the gap in no time. You can see the price exploding all the way up to fill the gap. Yeah, it's still a range. Everyone should know that we consider that it's a fake out when we have a attempt to break the range. Indeed, yeah, you can call, well, we broke below. Yeah, we did, but could be a fake out. And I'll assume it's a fake out. I'll try to hunt long ideas. If the market will bounce and then will dump, okay, it's possible. So after the market will fill this gap, if I'll see yams, I'll probably try to hedge the spot portfolio. You can see high, low, yeah? High, lower, lower, high, low, lower, low, and so on. We have a downtrend here on daily. That's for sure. We have the YAM, it's confirmed. We have lower highs and lower lows. We reached this area. I consider this one a fake out. For us to become bullish again, well, we need a W. We can start with lower time frame Ws on 4-hour chart. We can think about, I don't know, bounces here. But for us to become bullish again and think about the top of the range, we need some Ws, we need some structure here. Idea is, on lower time frame, watch out on this level, on this low. If we'll accept above, we can push straight up. People are waiting for retracements and the market could push up pretty fast. Now, overall, yeah, it's possible to reach the gap, yeah. We'll touch 75. Maybe yes, maybe no, maybe now, maybe after the bull market is over. We don't know. If will happen, it's a buying opportunity. Probably will be the last one, probably will be the best one. You can see altcoins. They are not reacting anymore at what Bitcoin does. Now, Bitcoin is dropping, altcoin says, oh, nah, no. Let's push back up. Look at TIA, for example. You can see it's not. Doesn't give a fuck about what Bitcoin does. Let's go back on Bitcoin on the classic chart, and you can see here. If we close 4-hour chart above this level, then we can think about gap. Where is this one? Yeah, we can close the gap, and I think we'll close it faster than people expect. Now, you saw the sentiment on Twitter. You saw the overall sentiment, the greed and fear. People, when you see the greed and fear index so low, it's a buying opportunity usually. Actually, almost every time it's a buying opportunity. Even if it's just for a bounce, it's still a buying opportunity. How and when to join your Discord? Well, if you want to join Discord, you have in the description of this live stream, you have the link, you have the site. You can join. If you joined already and you left the server, you're banned and you are not allowed to join again. Sorry. Okay, so that's Bitcoin on CME. Let's wait to see how it will develop. If we'll accept back above, then we can think about this gap. And then if we'll see yams, we can think, okay, was just a dead cat bounce from the bottom of the range, and we'll probably push for the next one. If you'll see stepping up steps and pushing higher, well, even better. We touched 38.2 from the entire range, as you can see here on this chart. From this low to this high, we just touched 38.2. Nothing more, nothing less. Normal price action. On daily, we need more price action to say something. For the moment, we had a drop, and price is resting a little bit. We'll continue to drop, we'll bounce back. The bounce will form a W and will push even higher. The bounce is just a dead cat bounce and will push lower. There are things we need to wait for more price action to understand what is next. Morning, Stefan. Good morning. Morning, Shogun. So don't be in a hurry. Well, let's panic sell. Don't say, well, let's invest in Bitcoin at 88K. Nah. Don't go in extremes, people. Level by level approach, yeah, setup by setup, level by level is the best. Why? You don't have to think too much and you are making money all the way. Market is going down, you are making money. Market is ranging, you are making a lot of money. Market is pushing higher. The spot is growing, you are making money with your setups. So that's the best approach. Bitcoin on daily, we talked about it. Let's look at Ethereum a little bit. Well, we wanted a retest in the long reload zone. We wanted a retest of this tail. And we got it yesterday. How many people, I even posted on Twitter, how many people bought this dip here? Not too many, I could tell you that. Not too many. Maybe some people from our community managed to go lower time frame and buy this one. Or even blindly, well, 2,500, 2,400, it's a buying opportunity. We retested. Let's see how this candle will close, but this candle looks like a rejection from a long reload zone and a strong one. What will happen from now on? We can slowly bleed down and make a W in the long reload zone. That's not bad. We can slowly bleed down and make a W close to 2,200. Even better. That will be another better risk to reward. Overall, I'm not even thinking to touch any short on Ethereum. I'll wait for good setups, good levels, and I'll try to hunt only long ideas. Yesterday I was out, and indeed Stefan did a really nice job. Was Tuesday, everyone was allowed to participate in the live streams, and Stefan did a really nice job. So you get an idea what we are doing in Crypto Traders Arena. You get an idea what Stefan is doing for VIP people. How we are trading. It's not every day exactly like we had yesterday. But after a month, if you draw the line, you are profitable. That's the most important thing. Keep in mind, people, it's not copy trading. So don't even think about, well, I'll copy trade. You need to... Stefan is posting too many setups. I'm helping sometimes when I have time and I'm posting other setups. You cannot take all of them. You need to have a plan. You need to have a good risk management. You need to know what to do in the market. You need to be fast. So don't think it's easy. But it's doable. That's the most important thing. It's doable. You can do it if you put the time and effort to learn. Okay, so on Ethereum here on daily, I don't see any W for a setup. If we'll form a W, if we'll form a, I don't know, inverse empire, if we'll form a 3-bar fractal bottom, possible. Why? It's already retesting. This is the retest of this candle. So I don't need another retest of the retest. So if I'll see a W here, or I'll see a 3-bar fractal, or I'll see any setup, I'll try to be aggressive and try to hunt long ideas. Yeah, Arjun, it's a shark setup. Almost reached my level. I still have the order there. I didn't remove it. It's a shark setup waiting for a fill. Maybe something will happen and dump back down there. Who knows? Anyway, that's Ethereum on daily. I could go on for hours, but I'll do it later when I'll talk about day trading. Let's look at Bitcoin dominance on daily. Nice rejection here. Candle body highs, rejection, back in this W. We can go sideways, but I think overall we can attack again 60 and then even long reloads on here. You can see I put some magnets here just for fun to see what will happen. I wanted the market to Bitcoin dominance to push in the short reload zone. Well, pushed a little bit in the dump chaser zone, pushed a little bit in the 38.2 dead cat bounce area and rejected. It's still possible to reach that level, but doesn't look bad for us thinking sideways and down. Yeah, Sebastian. Yeah, exactly. You have a problem with Ethereum and Ripple. That's their problem. I'm not trading Ripple at all because it's too ugly, and I'm usually get front run on classic setups by Ethereum. But Ripple is the champion of front running the levels. And then you have Ethereum. Well, we adapt. We play on different time frames. We play what we get a feel. Not a big deal. Okay, so Bitcoin dominance here, looking okay, looking sideways, and let's see what will happen at 60% when we get there. Ethereum versus Bitcoin is going sideways. We retested a little bit. Well, I don't know if it's enough what we retested here. I see some W's, we broke the lows, so overall going sideways. I'll remain with the same concept. On higher time frame, daily and weekly, if we'll accept above 0.03, we can think about a local bottom or a bottom on Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Until then, I don't see anything special here. Yeah, on lower time frame, we can have bounces, we can have drops, we can have, but I don't see that momentum. It's still consolidating here. Total market cap. We closed daily below 3 trillion, 1, 2 candles. Let's zoom out a little bit. For me, it's not bearish here. Well, okay, we had the M here, we had the range. I still consider a fake out. Yeah, we can push even lower and form a W. It's normal price action. Zoom out if you don't believe me. Okay, don't go on weekly. Tell me that this price action is bearish here. Yeah. Tell me that this is bearish. I see a nice price action here. Okay, we can consolidate here, stay here and put a W. Yeah. We can stay longer here. Yes. But overall, it's looking nice. I don't see the top here. I don't see the bull market being over at this point in time. Who knows? I'll play level by level. That's my best approach, and I'm making tons of money with it. I don't want to change it. Okay, total 3. Kind of similar. You can see everyone is saying, well, it's enough. Yeah, the bull market is over. Altcoins will never pump. And on total 3, we didn't even do a new high. We scratch it a little bit, we reject it, and that's it. Will take another 4 years for us to break that level? I don't think so, but who knows? I think we are just getting started. We are just warming up on total 3. But feel free to sell the bottom if you want. Feel free to stay on the sidelines for the next 4 years. It's up to you. I could tell you what I did. I loaded until above my head with the altcoins. Yeah. Okay. That's the overview. Altcoins here. Let's select some of them on the ones that are strong, and then we'll look at the extremes that they are weak. Well, on daily, let's put daily, weekly. It's same level. You don't see any. I could see forming a daily W here. You can see it. Will take some time, but look at it. Look left and you'll see. Could be power of 3. Well, attempted one, but you can see you lost the level again. So now you need to wait for more price action for a clear W. TIA, like I said, form the W exactly in the $3 area where we said and we yelled buy, buy, buy. You can see form the daily W, breakout, retest, textbook price action. This one, people, textbook price action. That's how strong altcoins should form the bottom. Could take longer, yeah. Could push and starting already to put steps to the upside, stepping up, yeah, it's possible. Will ever come back at $3? This bull market, I don't know. I bought at that level. We had too many opportunities here. If we'll accept above this level, then you can see low, high, higher low. Well, it's already giving us clear signals what wants to do. We can go sideways. Yeah, it's possible. Let's wait and see what will happen. But looks like if Bitcoin will not drop like a hammer, TIA will start pushing back up. And we put a lot of attention on TIA every live stream. That's not a coincidence. Why? It's a good coin. Got overreacted to the upside, got overreacted to the downside. I said if I'll see $3, that's a gift level, and I'll try to buy as much as possible. Everyone here had the opportunity to pay attention. Yeah? You had a stupid trader telling you every day, look at TIA, look at TIA, look at TIA. It's a bad level at 3.8? No, it's not. If you are an investor, it's not a bad level. It's not better than $3, that's for sure, but you get the idea. More price action here. More price action here. You can see this one is going down. I don't see a daily W. Don't touch it until you see a daily W. If you are an investor, okay, you can go there and start dollar cost average or use little old lady. If you are a trader, wait for a W. This one is still in play. You can see we are at the neckline if you want it, if you like it. Waves is pretty strong, if you can consider it strong. I think it's going sideways. Ape, I don't think it's the right moment to hunt ape, but no. If you are an investor, it's not bad. Tons of altcoins look similar here. Tons of them, they are looking similar. No W, no trade. You can be aggressive on Pixel. Why? You can see where we started to trade. You can take the next 3-bar fractal bottom here. It's aggressive, but it's a trade with a high risk to reward. Okay? So let's see how this candle will close for today. And if tomorrow we'll trade above the high made today, then you have a 3-bar fractal bottom. And you can take that entire price action. Or you can zoom in and find a better setup. But this looks like a clear fake out. And this looks like will not stay for long here. You can even start today hunting some long ideas. If you are premium or VIP, you can go with Holy Grail and try to find something. Up to you. Some people bought TIA20. Well, people bought TIA20 because they didn't listen to me, Bukur. I was yelling about TIA. Don't buy it. It's new and shiny. It's not buy. Well, I'll put it at staking. Well, yeah, it will drop like a hammer in my long reload zone. Will not work to get the reward for staking. You'll still lose money. Well, up to them. So a lot of altcoins are looking nice. Let's see the ones that they are dropping. Well, testing the lows. 3-bar fractal here. I don't know. It's possible, but it's better to wait for a W. Well, will take some time to recover. Not everything will recover as fast as we expect. This one, if you'll see it, close it above $11, well, that could be the fake out and then pushing back up. Why? Well, look at this level. And we can consider this one an important level to establish the bottom here. If we'll accept above, yeah, we can push higher and then we'll retest this level as a support and then we can. But I think a 3-bar fractal here, it's aggressive, but it's doable. keep in mind that we are at this location. So the lower, the better the location, the more aggressive I could become. It's possible for me not to wait for a clear double. It's possible for me to use as a structure on higher time frame 3-bar fractal bottom. Or you can wait for that W. I'm not saying it's not possible, but up to you, people. Well, now let's go on lower time frame, or let's go on the day trading part. You can see I have a white line here on Bitcoin. This is the range, this is the bottom of the range, but if I'll zoom out, okay, let's hide a little bit, so I'll get, this is an important low here, just below the range low. You can consider this low of the range if you want. And the market is fighting. That is telling me that it's an important level. It's fighting this level. If we'll accept above and then we'll test it as a support, that could produce a really nice trade there. So watch out for that level. If we'll accept and close 1 hour, 4 hour chart above 89, what is here, 88, 89, then we can think 92 pretty fast. If we are lucky, we can get back in the long reload zone. Sorry people, I had to sneeze. Hopefully I didn't break your ears. But that's the problem with the live streams. It's live, and if you sneeze, you sneeze. You try to close the mic from OBS. If you succeed, okay. If not, you destroy the listener ears. Sorry about that. So, going back here. This is not a correct long reload zone anymore. Yeah. The correct long reload zone looks like this, people. Let's zoom in a little bit. Let's zoom in a little bit. If we're lucky, we'll get a retest here. If we'll push even higher, then we can think this level will hold. For the moment, we are not above 89. So we can think we'll reject here initially and we'll push down. If you'll see a 1 hour, then 4 hour candle close above, then 92 will happen pretty fast in my opinion. This is the next level you want to pay attention. So if you will be able to somehow, there are multiple ways to frame a trade there after the accepting above 89, well, good for you. Well, that means I was fast enough to close the mic. Okay. Now, that's Bitcoin. Let's look at Ethereum a little bit. Similar, you can see here. A, B, C, D, pretty aggressive. Created kind of a support and resistance here. 2500 level. So, it's easy to assume that this is an important support and resistance level. If we'll accept above, you can see we accepted 1 hour. I don't think we had the same close on 4 hour. Yeah, you can see on 4 hour, no. So, the first sign will be on 1 hour to close again above this level, but you have to wait for a 4 hour candle to close above, and then we can think about here an ugly Dalai Lama, but not the best setup. Holy Grail will be the best here, or a bot setup on lower time frame or something. Okay, now altcoin. Someone said about what about hype? What about hype? Hype is a shitcoin on my list that is doing nice things. Pretty simple. 1 hour. We talked about W's here, accepting above. For the moment, it's in this kind of the same position. We have some resistance here and it's fighting that level. Yeah, we are long on hype from lower. Some of us managed to even get a better level that we have posted here. I don't know. I think the VIP have a better level. Stefan is going in a lower time frame and framing scalps or day trades on 5-minute chart, and then if you get the best level possible and you book some profit, you can keep the rest of the trade as long as you want because you have the stop loss at scratch. And when a new setup is showing up, you say, well, I have the position from lower, I'll just wait. And that could give you a nice risk to reward. When the market is moving nicely, you make tons of money. Okay, I saw something nice on this motherfucker. Just 1 second. Now you can see we took the lows here, we rejected. Now we had the W equal lows here. Well, I don't know about that. Well, you don't want to play that game? Okay, play this game then. I can see, give me a W the other side of the trend line and I could play it. It's a strong altcoin, it's moving nicely. You are on 1 hour time frame, so it's more than enough. Get me a W the other side of the trend line and I'll be more than happy to frame a long setup. If not, no W, no setup. No W, no trade. You can say, well, this was ugly. Even that was a W, a valid one, breakout and retest. Okay, you didn't take it. I didn't. So I'll wait for a W the other side of the trend line. If it will happen, be more than happy to frame a long setup. Jupiter, similar. I said about 4-hour chart something here. And I think Sebastian or someone said, well, really matters how will happen? Well, yeah, matters for your entry. Matters for your entry. Because we have different scenarios here. If it's the red scenario, we'll put the W here. So this will form a W. You can enter at the breakout or you can enter at the retest. If the market is accepting above this level, which is an important level, that will make a power of 3. So you'll have the breakout and then the retest will be here. So yeah, depending on what scenario will play out, it's important for our entry, where you want to enter the market. And we should plan these kind of scenarios. Yeah? We should know when the market will do something, we will anticipate. Well, if we'll do that, I'll do this. If we'll do that, I'll do this. Yeah? I have in my mind 2 scenarios. I know the setups. I know the risk management approach. When the market is giving me opportunities, for example, if it's the green scenario and you'll see it pushing higher here in this resistance or retesting this M, then I know I should hunt here. Doesn't matter, it's here. I should hunt here for a micro W, or I could even put the entry there with a limit order and forget about it. Stop loss here and live with the results. If the market is not doing the green scenario, is doing the red one and is retesting this low, well, if I'm a scalper, I could go on 5-minute chart and try to frame a setup here, no? I think I can. If I don't want to play that scenario, to go on, for example, on lower time frame, well, then I'll wait for the market to do this, do the neckline breakout, and then to enter here. So there are multiple ways we can frame the market in, multiple approaches we have. And we teach the setups in Capo 1. And we teach the risk management approach in Capo 1. You want more, you are sharp enough, you are profitable already, and you want more, well, we can get you in Capo 2. But if you are a beginner, well, you should wait for Capo 1 to open again. Okay, so that's Jupiter here. I could see power of 3. I could see going back down and forming a W. Let's wait. It's simple as that. Litecoin. Well, it's something nice about Litecoin. Luckily, we didn't pump on Litecoin. And old people will tell you why is luckily we didn't pump on Litecoin. Usually, Litecoin is the last to pump, and if Litecoin is pumping, is kind of gather your things and go home. So we didn't pump yet. We rejected from the highs here, and we are still in the range. Yeah, Kevin is still around. He's still a gladiator. He's posting from time to time when he has time, when he wants to post. Okay, so Litecoin, Pyth. You can see I'm waiting to see what will happen here. Solana. Let's talk about Solana. And okay, I'm on daily. You can see what I see on Solana. We can push a bit lower. We can attack. Is too much liquidity hidden here in this area. We'll probably retest that level, but what it's a daily candle here that could produce a bounce for the moment. You can see, look left. That could be a setup for us here. So overall on daily, I'm waiting for the market to come back down here and take the liquidity. If it will be possible, that will be a nice hunting area for us to hunt high risk to reward trades. But because we are not there yet, if you want to play Solana, we can play as everything else. Give me a W on 4 hour chart. No W, no trade. Okay, 1 hour. 1 hour, it's kind of in the middle. Nothing you want to do here on the Solana. Why? Well, we have this W, probably with bullish divergence, yeah. And then you have this M. So maybe just leave it alone. I don't see a setup on Solana. You want to dollar cost average from 140? Nah, I don't know. Maybe I have a bias and it's a bad one because I bought Solana a lot lower. And now for me, Solana $140 looks like it's too high. But for people that don't have exposure, I don't know. Still not the best risk to reward to buy Solana at $140. Tao, let's put 4 hour chart because I want to see higher time frame a little bit. You have Tao, pump chaser zone. Everyone said, well, Tao is the best. Slow down. Slow down. Look at it. Low, high, pump chaser zone, no W, no trade. Simple as that. So if you'll see W's like this, you can think about pushing higher. You don't see a W at least on 4 hour chart, maybe just leave it alone. On 4 hour chart, if you want to zoom in, okay, but first think about this M. Ugly, but it's there. If you have an M, you have a trend line. If you have a trend line, you can wait for a W the other side of the trend line. We'll put a W here or lower in the long reload zone. We'll see. TIA, we talked about. You can see it's attacking the highs. My bags are more than full with TIA. Let it pump. That's all I will say. I'm not buying TIA anymore here. It's too high for a trade. Trump, no W, no trade on 4 hour chart. People, remember, Trump is a shitcoin. It's a meme coin. It's something that he made or his team made to make money, to extract money from the market. That's the only reason this coin exists in the market. When the fuck, sorry YouTube, when the fuck you'll understand that that's the purpose of a meme coin. Especially something made by Trump or other, I don't know, important guy in other influencer. Because Trump is the best influencer. The only reason that this coin exists is not to give utility, is not to do anything else, just to extract money from crypto market out. So think about that. Yeah? I have Trump on last chance challenge to buy a little bit here, a little bit more here, and even a bit more here at $9. I'll do an average and I'll sell if we'll push to the highs here. It's possible? I don't know. I think this one will slowly bleed. If nobody said anything or nobody cared about this one going all the way back down and going sideways, it's not fresh anymore, nobody cares about it. Yeah, people will realize, well, was to extract money, we are stupid, we pay the price, learn the lesson at least. Okay? P, Andrei, you want me to start with P? Why? Why you start me with P? So, learn your lesson, people. When you see a star, when you see an influencer launching a coin, the only reason he's doing that is to extract money from the followers. Why do you think he put a lot of time and effort to get the followers, to be in that position? Because he wants your well-being and to have a lot of money? No. He wants to have a lot of money. And he knows the numbers game, people. I'll give you an example. How you make $1 million. One way to make $1 million is it's 1 million people to give you $1. And that's a good strategy for people that they have 10 million followers. They need 10% from their followers to give them $1. And they have $1 million. You get the idea? So, don't buy shit like this. If you are a trader and you know support and resistance and you know setups and you played and you made money, okay. If not, just leave it alone. Stay the fuck out. Don't be stupid. That's the reality, people. You want to hear about moon boys and how we'll spend the money in the top of the market after, well, go somewhere else. You want to hear ugly truth about Trump and other meme coins? Come here. And Andrei started me with P now. Why you had to do that? Now I cannot stop. I have to look at P. Eita eu. Look at it. How many people manage to sell their P here? How many people are able to sell the P in this area? Huh? Not too many. So, let me give you an example. You every fucking day, you clicked on that app every day. Bukur, for example, I think he clicked for more than 1 year. And at this moment, if he sells his P, if he is able to sell it, if he didn't lock it for long or did stupid things, will get $1,000. Well, people, I'll tell you what. If every day you read one page from one fucking book where you are trying to learn one skill, in 1 year you'll be far away. And that skill will worth more than $1,000. Way more. Just be damn consistent and try it. If you read 5 pages, 1 page, every day, for 1 full year, or if you try for 5 minutes a new skill, but every day, that's the key, you will be a lot better than to click on a phone to mine P. It's a Ponzi scheme? I think so. What Ponzi schemes do best? They go up to reach more people. They go up to reach more people. They go up to reach more people. And then they collapse. If you don't know what a Ponzi scheme is, go and study it. Yeah? So don't start me with this. It could go to $10. I don't fucking care. I don't touch something like this. It's up to you, people. 1 hour a day. Well, Sebastian, 1 hour a day. 1 hour a day, you'll become the best. And 3 years, you'll become the best in your field. You'll be the first 5% from your area of interest. If you study 1 hour a day, every day. If you look at 1 hour a day, you practice one setup, you'll be the master of that setup in 1 year. The master of the master. And indeed, you only need one setup to be profitable in trading. But, well, no. Why I should learn something like a setup? Why I should learn a skill when I could open the phone and click, click, click for P? Why you started me with this? Anyway, let's do something else. It's already 40 minutes in this live stream. People, yesterday I was out. Was my mother's birthday, so I wasn't able to trade. Now I need to cover to make more money today than yesterday. I was okay because Stefan was posting setups and we have agreement, a silent one. Without when Stefan is out, he'll take my setups. When I'm out, I'll take his setups, and we know that we can make money that way. Okay, people, let's call it a live stream. Let's close this live with something else, not with P. Please, people, let's look at Bitcoin. Well, that looks better. 1 hour, Bitcoin. If we'll accept above, we know what to do. If we'll go back down here in the long reload zone, we know what to hunt. So, yeah, thank you, Bukur. Okay, people, let's call it a live stream. See you in the New York if you are premium member. See you tomorrow, the same live stream. Someone asked about how to join Discord. Well, you have a description. In the description of the live stream, you have the site. You click join Discord and you can join Discord. Get verified as soon as possible. If you are not verified, then we have a problem in a couple of hours. When I'm checking the new entries, I'll kick you out because you didn't put the time and effort to push a button. So sorry. I'm not banning you, I'm kicking you out. Just I don't want you there if you are so lazy. Okay, people, let's call it a live stream. Again, bye bye.